If you see the service parking assist warning in your Vauxhall or maybe Opel vehicle, it means that there is the problem with the parking system or with the voltage in your vehicle, and I would start checking this with the battery actually. So if there is the low voltage in your car, you will get all kinds of error messages, warning lights, like random things will happen with your Vauxhall because it doesn't like low voltage due to a lot of electronics in the car. So load test to the battery is one of the best things to identify the problem with the voltage, because in even the weak battery may still show 12.5 volts so if you check it with a multimeter when the car is off. But when you start in the car, it gets some load and the voltage will drop, and in this time the electronic control modules may just go mad and you will see all kinds of warnings, and the service parking assist is one of them. And the second type of problem that causes this warning is actually the problem with one of the parking sensors. There are several reasons why your parking sensors may malfunction in a Vauxhall or Opel vehicles, and first of all, it's not the problem with the sensors, but the problem with some additional equipment you installed in your car, like for example the trailer hitch that covers the area of one of the sensors and doesn't allow one of the sensors to work properly. Or maybe there is the frame, license plate frame in your car that covers the area of one of the sensors. Secondly, the sensors may be covered by snow, mud or anything else, and this may cause this warning temporarily. So when you clean the car, everything will be okay. It's not that uncommon to have connection issues, like one of the sensors may be just disconnected. This happens during minor accidents or when you go to a road pit, or maybe someone serviced your car and wasn't really careful and just disconnected one of the sensors behind the bumper. It's very easy to do. So you may actually check if all the connections in the sensors are in place and are tight. You may check it on your own. It's not that easy to get to them, but still it's not impossible. Also, any minor accident may be the reason of this problem. If the front or rear bumper was hit a little bit and one of the sensors changed the position even like 1 millimeter, it will feel this and will stop working. It will send the warning. It will not give you any information about the obstacles. And lastly, the problem may be with one of the sensors being dead because of the damage. These parking sensors, they don't need a lot of damage to stop working. Even just a small stone that you caught on the road or some road debris that hit exactly in the sensor may just kill it, and you will see just a small chip on the sensor, but the sensor may not be working. And with a good OBD2 scanner, not just with the code reader, but with a good scanner, you can identify which exactly sensor malfunctions, and you may just buy this sensor, install it, and solve the problem.